Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a tutorial on using the BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, model in Python. BERT is a powerful pre-trained natural language processing, NLP, model that has achieved state-of-the-art results in various NLP tasks. In this tutorial, we'll use the Transformers library, developed by Hugging Face, which provides pre-trained models, including BERT, and tools to work with them. Make sure you have the library installed before you begin. Now, let's dive into an example using BERT for text classification. We'll use the BertForSequenceclassification model for this task. In this example, we'll fine-tune the pre-trained BERT model on a simple dataset. This example demonstrates the fine-tuning process of BERT on a simple text classification task. Keep in mind that you may need to adjust the code to fit your specific use case and dataset. Additionally, you can explore other configurations and hyperparameters to optimize the model for your particular task. ChatGPT.